Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Now I want talking about the Hitachi Inverter. This Hitachi Inverter model is VNR10C209. This one is original from Hitachi. The output is double light. Normally this circuit used for some machine monitors that using backlight. Here I want to test this Hitachi inverter. So the circuit, actually I refer to the data sheet of this Hitachi inverter. So actually very simple to test. Now I want to tell every pins the function. The number one is not in use, and this number two is for alarm. This, if something happen in this inverter, will output to this pin number 2 and connected to 100 kilo ohm resistor, connect to voltage input 12 volt. Okay, then number 3 and 5, here I use potentiometer 10 kilo ohm. Actually only little bit affected with the brightness. If you don't want to use it, just hook up with resistor 10 kilo ohm to pin number 3 and 5. Number 4 is no connection, and this one is I told you before, 6, 7 pin is for voltage input, and 9, 10 is for minus voltage. Then for on off for this circuit, actually will control by TTL signal, but you can on and off by connect to this pin number 8 to the ground. So if you connect it, this unit will on. Okay, let's retry. Here I use 12 volt DC power supply. Here I set to current more than 1 ampere, because this unit need current consumption about 650 milliamp. Okay, let's retry. The circuit exactly same with this circuit from datasheet. Okay, let's retry. I will switch on number 8 pin to ground. There, the light is on. As I told you before, that this pin number 3, 5 hook up with 10 kilo ohm of potentiometer, but only little bit affected to the dimmer. I think not much affected. I see only a bit. Okay, I switch off again. And for this one, the connector 10 pins is really difficult to get. So I used the used 5 pin connected together. It's become 10 pins, and fortunately is fitted to the 10 pins, this 10 pins connector. Okay, thank you for watching. Akang Hari Batam, Indonesia.